Hello, it's Mandy. I'm just hiding from the rain. The rain has not stopped for a few weeks here, and we're still in winter, coming into spring, or the Darawal people would call this time Tagarat Gunyamari, which is also the time of the blossoming wattle or Acacia floribunda. I do love wattle, and it is the national flower for our country because all over Australia there is some acacia blossoming at some time. But in my region, it blossoms during the time of Tagara Gunyamari, around July, August, and reminds us that spring is not far away. Today in Little People Cooking, I'm paying homage to our Acacia floribunda and wattle in making some beautiful wattle seed bliss balls. Yum! Do you think you might like to wash your hands and come down and make them with me? All right, I'll see you at our stations in just a moment, where we can make these delicious wattle seed bliss balls. All right, here we are at our station. We've got our wattle seed, our dates, some coconut, some cocoa, a wattle plant leaf, and some chia seed. What we need to do is mush it all together, and I need you to get your thumb, pointer and middle finger, and even maybe your ring finger, to be able to mush it. Yeah, we can do it like this as well, or like that, but you're really going to mix it together. These are nice and soft. Ooh, squish. And if your hands get mucky, you can wipe them on a tea towel if you like. Mush, 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 and mush it all together. The wattle seeds are from this beautiful wattle. After the pods have formed and dried in autumn. Squish, squash, squash, mish, mash, mush. We're making wattle seed bliss balls. Squish, squash, squash, mish, mash, moosh. Mushing it all around. Oh, it looks good. Now you could make this into 2 balls. Bring it into your hand and moving it from side to side and rolling it into a ball. Looking good. Or you might like to make it into a log or a sausage and squish it into shape. Ooh. Or maybe you want to make it into teeny tiny balls. There's some extra mixture here. Teeny tiny balls. However you do it, I think it will be pretty yummy. Cute. Do you think you might try some? Ooh, we've got our teeny tiny ones and our big one. Which one do you think you're going to try? I might try a teeny tiny one first. I can smell the dates. I wonder if I'm going to be able to taste the earthy tones of the wattle seed. I'm going to give it a lick. Give it a kiss. It's sweet. It's firm. I'm going to pop it in. Dates. Coconut. I have a subtle tone of the wattle seed. I think I might try another one. Oh, I do like them. Yummy. Oh, now I'm getting a bit more of that. It almost tastes like flowers. Well, clearly it tastes like the wattle, but oh, I really like that. I hope you enjoy making your wattle seed bliss balls too, and eating them. I'll see you next time. Bye.